Are you tired of that big belly of yours which comes in the way when you have to get ready and get dressed in your favorite clothes, or you have to lay on the floor to get rid of that hanging belly to do strenuous stomach crunches? Then I've got the simple one easy move for you, because you don't even want to go to the gym. It's not cool anymore, because I've got this one simple move which is more easier, more effective, and definitely doable. Spending endless hours in the gym just to get your favorite waistline is now equivalent to this very one simple move that I'm going to show you. And the best part, it's so easy, so doable that you can do it in the comfort of your own home or anywhere, literally, because this is just one simple move. And not just you, for many people who have joined my transformation program have gone through this very easy exercises and simple moves to achieve their desired results. This is beginner friendly, low impact, no jumping, no squatting needed, and it is also easy on your knees. I'm sure you're eagerly waiting to know which is that one simple move which the world is going crazy for. Well, I've got it just for you, but just after you have answered this very question, which is that first drink which you have in the morning as soon as you wake up. Is it plain water? Is it tea, coffee, black tea, black coffee? Come on in the comment section and do let me know, because right at the end of the video, I'm going to tell you which is the right answer, the right option for you. So before we begin, like always, I've got a chair for all of you, because this is one equipment which you already have at home and you don't have to invest in very expensive equipments to get rid of that belly fat. First of all, we are going to loosen up our muscles a bit, because we are going to do this exercise early in the morning. So we have to loosen up our muscles. Let's use this chair to just slightly warm up and loosen up our muscles. For that, the first warm up we're going to do is put one leg up on the chair and let's stretch forward like this. Now let's do it with the other leg. Now let's do the other stretch. Bend forward. You have to make a V like this. Now with the other leg. Well then, now let's begin with this one simple and easy move. So let's begin finally with that one simple and easy move which will help you attain a slimmer waist. Whether it is your upper belly, your lower belly, or your side belly, which is commonly called the love handles. We've got a chair and we have to march on a chair, or with the help of a chair. You have to literally lift your leg high enough to be able to march and touch your toes with the chair. So this is a very simple exercise which you can practice in the comfort of your own home while watching your favorite TV show, so that you can do as many reps as you can. Now let's do this together. done. So now I'm going to show you another version of that very move that I just showed you earlier. I've turned the chair around because I think I can graduate and take it a notch higher to the next level. Then why not? I'm going to show you exactly what I do with the chair turned around. Again, the same thing, but high knees, and you have to clap under your leg like this. So let's do it together. Well done. So I hope you enjoyed this session, and I'm sure if you do it on a daily basis every single day, about 100 reps each, you're sure to get a flatter belly soon. Besides that, I did ask you a question in the beginning of this video, which is the first drink that you have in the morning. Anything to drink, whether it's water, tea, coffee, what do you actually have? I know most of you have replied, but I think it's time to let you know which is the best option. I think there's nothing that can beat good old water. That is something which your system needs. It's refreshed, dehydrated, so it needs to hydrate itself in the morning. For that, water is very important, but not cold or chilled, just room temperature or warm water. Besides that, if you're looking to join a paid weight loss program, don't forget to click on the link given below in the description so you can contact me and join my weight loss program. I'm here to help you, along with a team of doctors, dietitians, and health counselors, to help you improve your health, achieve your weight loss goals, and transform yourself, not just physically, but also feel mentally fit. I'll see you soon again next week with many more exciting videos. Until then, take care.